Hi, I'm Dustin Abbott, and I'm here with my partner, Craig Christoffersen, and we're here to do a giveaway, also to quickly talk to you about our collaborative channel, which is Let the Light In TV. Craig, tell us a little bit about the channel and how it's going.
So Let the Light In TV is basically a channel where we are looking at the video side of things. You in-depth cover the photo side of things. So what I endeavor to do is to cover the lenses or whatever gear we are reviewing for that week and to look at it at how it's used in a video perspective, which it has different uses, it has different results and outcomes. So that's what I'm looking to do. First of all, I'd like to thank you for your support. Definitely. I appreciate the companies that are working with us. I appreciate you subscribing and watching the videos. We have seen your comments, and we have also planned initially to do more videos together. That is something in the plans, in the works, although we have been really quite busy over the past year building a brand new building, and so we will get around to it. We are finishing that up in the fall, and so more collaboration will be on the way.
Definitely. I've been working essentially three full-time jobs in the midst of doing construction, and then also obviously doing this channel, and then I pastor the church that we're in the middle of building a large new auditorium for. And so I have had very, very little time, which means that Craig and I have had to work mostly independently, and that I focus on what I do, because I have to squeeze that in my spare time, which has been pretty precious. And so Craig will take care of the video thing. But our plan is to add more collaboration, not only for Let the Light In TV, but also on my main channel as well. And so I know as a part of that process, we've worked to launch and to get a foundation built for this channel. But it takes a while to build a subscriber base and to get people involved. And so that's why we're here today to do a giveaway. We are at how many subscribers?
We are at 925.
925. And so the first goal that we have set is just to hit that 1,000. Now, I know that when I started my YouTube channel, which I actually did almost unintentionally, I was doing text reviews, and I just wanted a place actually just to host video content that I could refer to in my articles, my text reviews that I was writing. And it turned out after a while that people started watching that content, and I started to create the video reviews, and it's like, okay, well, I'm already doing all of this work to do a text review. I might as well do a video review at the same time. And to my knowledge, I'm one of the few people that does both of those things still to this point. But really the YouTube channel was birthed out of that. But I know that it took me a long time in those early years to build any kind of significant subscriber base. And so I can certainly empathize what Craig is going through as we work together to build that subscriber base. So if you can help us out, let's talk about what we're going to do here.
Yes, we've got a TTArtisan 50mm F0.95 lens. This is for Sony E-mount, and it's coming to one of you. You can check out the review. Maybe we can link it up here in the corner. We've got a photo review, we've got a video review, so you can check it out, get the details of that before it comes to your doorstep.
Absolutely. So what we'll do is that we are going to just go ahead and subscribe. Once we hit that 1,000 mark, the plan is that we're going to have a random draw of all of the subscribers' names at that point, not just those of you that are, joining at this point. But and so whoever is the winner from that, we will do an announcement of that. We will contact you, we'll get your shipping information, and we'll send this lens to your door, and so that you can have it for yourself. So help us out by subscribing at Let the Light In TV, and look at that space and this space for more collaboration in the future. But also Craig's doing a great job of giving a video perspective, which means that it's one less thing that I have to try to squeeze into my schedule as well. Not to mention that he's better at video stuff than what I am, and that's kind of the point at the end of the day. So thank you for your support at this point. Get involved, and you may be the lucky winner of the TTArtisan 50mm F0.95 coming your way. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and
let the light in.